Welcome! If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy S10, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to record sounds. Let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type recorder. I think that we can go for this one. Click on the install. Of course you can select any other application, but this icon just looks cool, right? So I decided to get it. And right now just open it. And as you can see, it's very simple, right? There's no many options. If you want to start, just tap here on this microphone, click allow 2 times. And right now the smartphone is recording sounds. If you want to finish, just click on this marker. And right now we can check how it works. Okay, it's working, right? That's cool. That's cool. So with this button right here, we can share it or just straight delete. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.